Hey guys, today we're going to do the first time setup of Samsung Galaxy M15. If you're using Samsung Galaxy M15 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, so let's see how can do this. First of all, you'll get the welcome screen here. You just have to select your device language from here, and here you will get a lot of languages. You can either select one of them. As I have selected English UK, just select, then select OK, and now tab on Start to start your setup. And here, first of all, you'll get the for your review. You just have to select agree to all to agree and use a license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostics data. Just select agree to all, then select agree in the bottom right corner. And here you'll get a this type screen, which is easy setup with another device. If you're using any phone, you can easily use that to make an easy setup to this phone. It might be any Galaxy, Android, or iPhone. You can easily use that, but I'm going to set up manually from here. And then just connect your Wi-Fi network, select the Wi-Fi, and here just enter the password, then select connect from here. After connecting to the internet, just select next in the bottom right corner, and it will lead to this screen, which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. You might wait to until it's loading, and after that we'll continue. So after that you'll get this app screen, which is copy apps and data. If you want to copy apps and data from another phone, you can easily select next from here. But I'm going to select don't copy, just select it, and here you'll get this type screen, which is checking info. You must have to wait for its loading, and after that we'll get the Google sign in screen. So just wait for it, and it's Google sign in screen. Here, if you have any Google account, you can easily log in here, but if you don't have any account, you can easily create one from here. But I'm going to skip this. Just let's skip, and here's your protect your phone. If you want to create any password, pattern, fingerprint, pin, or face recognition, you can set up here. But I'm going to skip here and then skip it in later in settings. And here's some Google services. You might have to accept them, and here just wait for its loading. This may take a few minutes. You just have to wait for it. And after that, there's the Samsung account setting. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here. If you won't have an account, just select forgot password and don't have an account. Here you can easily create account, recover your Samsung ID or password. But I'm going to select setup later in settings, then select skip from here, and here just select all and then select agree, then select agree again, and here just select your display mode which you want is dark and light. I'm going to select light, then select next, and here just wait for its loading. And that's all. You are all set up now. You can easily use your phone. Just select home to go to your home screen, and that's how you can easily make a first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy M15. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.